Name Sai Kumar. Rule number 62. Object does not start or stop moving on their own. Newton's first law of motion contains phrase no net forces. What does this means? The net force is the vector sum of all the individual forces acting on an object. When you sit in a chair, there are essential two forces acting on you: the upward push of the chair and downward pull of gravity. Since you are at rest, the two forces must cancel out. Therefore, the vector sum of forces are not forcing action. Our experience tells us that an object such as box being pushed across the floor will stop moving if you stop pushing on it. This occurs because of this force of friction acting between the box and the floor. What would happen if the force of friction could be eliminated? While friction cannot be eliminated completely, it can be greatly reduced. The figure below shows device known as an air truck. An air truck provides a cushion of air which a cart can ride with virtually no friction. The figure shows that the air truck provides a cushion of air through a grid holes. Air truck, cart, bumpers. When placed at rest on a level truck, the cart will remain at rest until you given a push. In accordance with Newton's first law, once a cart is in motion, it will remain in motion until acted on by a net force. In theory, by the truck could be made infinitely long and perfectly frictionless. The cart would continue moving with a constant velocity forever. Newton's first law is sometimes referred to as law of inertia. Loosely speaking, inertia means laziness. Objects may be thought of as lazy because they don't change their motion unless forced to do so. The tendency of an object is resistance, and any change in motion is referred to as its inertia. Newton's second law of motion tells us how force changes an object motion. Throwing a baseball requires less force than pushing a car and giving it some same speed as the baseball. Why? The car has a lot more matter than does a baseball. Rearranging the equation yields a form of Newton's second law that is perhaps best known. F is equals m times a. Newton's second law for a single force F is equals to m mass into acceleration is F is equals to m. A force is equal to mass times of acceleration. The following example illustrates how the procedure may be applied to a problem involving two astronauts pushing a satellite as shown in figure. Applying Newton's law, there are several types of forces that are encountered in everyday situation. They include normal forces, the force exerted by gravity, and forces due to stretched or compressed springs. The force that opposes the motion of one surface over other is called friction. Sliding one surface over other requires enough force to overcome the resistance caused by microscopic hills and valleys bumping against one another. Viewed at the microscopic scale, even the smooth surface, principal axis of inertia. Coordinate axis in which the inertia tensor is diagonal are called principal axis of rigid body. The eigenvalues of secular equation are the components of the principal moment of inertia. After diagonalization of the inertia tensor, the equation of motion for rotation of a free rigid body look like. After diagonalization of inertia